I know you guys remember when interest rates were like 2 and 3%. Now interest rates is just out of control, but for some reason, people still sign up for these high interest rates. You're not going to believe some of the rates these people got.
Does your car have debt on it? Or is it paid for?
It's got about 9,000 on it.
That's debt? Okay, 9,000 at what interest rate?
It's not bad. It's like 14.
14%. Now that's crazy. I remember when interest rates used to be like 2 and 3%. Now 14% to some people seem like that's not that high. I don't understand that. That's crazy.
I had to chuckle at the not bad part of that. That's terrible.
Yeah. Well,
That's vomit.
For a normal person with a normal career, yeah, you're right.
Hey, is it Stephanie?
What?
Yes, it is.
Hey, Stephanie, this is Gus with Legacy Motorcars. How you doing?
Hey, Gus, good. Thank you so much for calling me back.
No problem. So, I see you want to sell us the 2022 Audi Q8. I saw the pictures. Very nice car. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yeah, absolutely. So, I had this car for a year or so, and I co-signed with my ex-boyfriend who ended up cheating on me.
Listen, please never co-sign for anybody. I don't care who it is. Do not co-sign, because if they decided to default on that loan, that's on you, champ.
And I helped him put down $8,000 on the car loan, but he didn't have good credit, and I had decent credit, and I made the deal happen. But now that we're separated, he has a car. He has the car, and hasn't been making payments.
Okay.
And I'm getting affected financially. So I called you to see if there's anything we can do or what recommendations you may have for us.
Okay. So, do you have the car in your possession?
No, I do not. He
Okay.
has it.
What?
Gotcha. I'd be interested in buying it from you. You told me it has like how many miles? 70,000 or so?
77,000.
Okay. I would need you'd have to have the car in person in your possession, and then I can buy it from you. And with around that mileage, I mean, how much do you owe on that car, and what's your monthly payment?
I owe about $52,000, and it is $11.50 a month at 17% interest.
Oh
rate.
my
That's
goodness.
pretty hefty.
17%.
Yeah,
Wow.
it is. And he told me he was going to pay it, but he hasn't. And I'm just stuck right now because it's affecting my credit. And I just don't know what to do.
Like 40 to 43,000. So I mean, if
This is for the ladies. Listen, never finance a car for a dude. I have 2 daughters, and they know better. Never finance anything for anybody, only yourself. Protect your credit with everything. That's everything is your credit. Do not let people mess your credit up.
if I get the car here and it's in good condition, I'll pay you the 43. But if not, it's going to be around 40.
Negative equity.
Are you able to get maybe 10,000 to cover the negative equity you have?
Golly, bro.
I think I can manage that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, first things first, I would just need the car. Do you know where the car is? Like, are you able to get a second key for it somehow?
Dude, hiding that.
I still do have the second key, so I feel like at this rate I might have to just reach out to him and say, listen, in order for us to kind of get rid of this headache, let's just, come head down to you all, give the car, get the money, and we can split it. Like, I don't even care at this rate. I just want it to be done.
How many months later is he, or are you guys on this car note?
He's 5 months late.
5 months.
Man, they about to repo that.
Yeah, they might be looking for it to repo it.
Absolutely looking for it.
Right.
crazy.
And I don't want that to happen. I'd rather be in control of it. All right. So unfortunately, we don't really communicate much, except for when it comes to this. So I'll just have to make a time and see if we can arrange a time that we can both come together.
That's gonna be trouble.
Yeah.
there.
So I will definitely keep you posted.
The car's technically legally yours, so you can grab it any time.
I wouldn't deal with that. Yeah.
But in order for you to sell it, like I said, I just need both your signatures. Well, Stephanie, as soon as you get that figured out, I'll take it off your hands.
Is this a good number to reach you back at?
Yeah, absolutely. Just call me anytime.
I
All
wouldn't
right.
deal
Thank you
with
so much.
that.
I really appreciate your
Yep,
help.
no problem. Thanks, Stephanie.
That's gonna be a
All
fight
right, have a
on
good one.
dealership.
You too. Bye-bye.
16.99%, y'all, is what I financed my Kia Telluride for.
Man.
And I don't think I truly realized the interest rate until he pulled it up today at the dealer.
How you not realize the interest rate? Like, what kind of bonehead stuff is that, man? It is what it is. 16% is high. What you mean? These was tripping.
And I am honestly just sick.
I bet you are.
Now, how do you get an interest rate at 16.99%? I don't know. I do know, though, that
she's
the car
tripping.
that was totaled out and forced me to buy the Kia was still an open auto loan. Plus, my daughter's car is also an open auto loan. And at the time, we had...
She definitely living above her means. She got her kids' car finance, and she got a car finance at 16%. That's way over the top.
2 mortgages.
Oh, no.
And when Kia said that they were going to get me in the Kia Telluride, they weren't joking. They got me in it all right.
Got you in it, that's
And
right.
my down payment that I put down is basically useless. I mean, when you're paying 16.99% interest
funny,
every
bro.
single month, of course your balance isn't going to go down. So y'all, you know the trend. We're helping each other pay off our bills. If I don't get this Kia Telluride paid off, I'm going to have no other choice but to let it go back.
Yeah.
So TikTok, do its thing.
Give it
Attention
back.
economy needs to work for Michelle. I could take $40,000 to Kia
Yeah, right.
and not have a car payment.
You all
How much is
lying.
your interest rate?
22.
How much is your
22.
interest rate?
28%, dude.
Get out of here.
How much is
bro.
your interest rate?
0.64.
How much is your interest rate?
6.9%.
How much is your interest rate?
3%.
That's pretty
How much
good.
is your interest rate?
5%.
How much is your interest rate?
2%.
How much is your interest rate?
7%.
7%.
What's your interest rate?
29.99999.
What's the balance of this?
48,000.
We just got it.
Yeah.
How many months?
75.
75?
You're not gonna like the interest rate either.
What is it? That's
18.
Yeah, it's 18. No, are you my life?
Yeah, right.
What are you doing? What are you guys doing to your future, guys?
Well,
How could you sign this?
That's
And
crazy.
how could you see the number 18 and sign it? At 70 whatever months with that minimum monthly payment. You guys are lucky you don't have a mortgage. Oh,
Wow. That's
that was
crazy.
kind of our reasoning.
that's a bad reason.
We can
That gives
afford
you
it.
that gives you opportunity. That
Hold
doesn't
on,
mean
hold
fuck
on.
up more.
See, it's not about being able to afford it. Yes, you can afford it, but what if something happened and you got an emergency, you need some money. That one missed payment, you done. It's hard to catch up off one missed payment.
That gives you opportunity. That doesn't
That's
mean
crazy.
fuck up more.
You're right, but we can afford it.
No.
It's just
Guys,
What?
the car's worth $31,550.
aren't they all always upside down like the first year?
Yeah, but that's a substantial drop. That's a substantial drop.
Big time.
Okay, well.
What is that, $17,000?
Yeah.
Did I math that right?
I will say
Jeez,
the Prius was
17,000.
upside down 14. They ended up only needing to roll over.
Did you put nothing
two-
down for the Prius?
We
No.
put 2,500 down for this one.
That's crazy, bro.
Those salespeople made their commission.
Yeah, they don't care.
Let me tell you, this car's
Yeah,
that's
dumb.
insane.
But there you have it, guys. Like I said, some people paying outrageous interest rates for new cars, man. And some people feel like they don't have a choice. Some people feel like they can afford it. But guys, I recommend either paying cash for the car, going through your credit union, because their rates are usually lower than the dealership. Sometimes it makes sense to finance through the dealership because they may have rebates and stuff that go with their finance, and it might make sense. But generally, usually, the credit union has a better rate. So if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.